Welcome to Go Lesson 6 Control Flow. In this lesson, you will learn how to make decisions in your code. We will cover if statements, else-if chains, and logical operators. Let us start with basic if statements. The if keyword checks a condition. No parentheses needed in Go. If the condition is true, the code inside runs. Booleans can be checked directly without comparison. All three conditions are true, so all messages are printed. Now let us add an else clause. Else runs when the condition is false. We can chain multiple conditions with else if. The first matching condition executes. Others are skipped. Age 15 cannot vote, and score 75 gets a C grade. Go has a unique feature, the short statement. You can declare a variable right in the if statement. The variable is only available inside that if-else block. This keeps your code clean and scope limited. Each variable was declared in line and used within its block. Logical operators combine multiple conditions. And requires both conditions to be true. Or requires at least one condition to be true. Not inverts a Boolean value. Comparison operators check equality and order. The output shows each condition was evaluated correctly. Let us recap what we learned. Use if for conditions. Chain with else if. Use else for fallback. Short statements keep scope tight. Logical operators combine conditions. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will explore switch statements. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.